Hello, welcome to this tutorial. I'm going to show you how to generate the ACF, the tax compliance certificate for a taxpayer via the Harmony 2 platform as of now 2025. So for you to do that, you need to go through two websites. There's a website where you need to go and make verification. There's another website where you need to go and make the declaration itself. But everything is on this website called um, Harmony harmony2.cm. So if I get to this website, harmony2.cm, um, let me just try and connect one account first. Anyways, I'll get back to the account I want to get to. But when you get to the home platform, you're supposed to see the different links to the different platforms where you need to first of all activate the account before making the the ACF. But then for you to activate the account, you need to get to a website or okay to this website SDC Harmony 2. So you need to get to this website in order to synchronize your account, because the normal website where we need to go and make daily declaration is under daily declaration DJ. This is where you actually connect in order to make daily declaration. But then you need first of all to come to this website and you put your NIU there. You synchronize the password so that the password of Harmony 1 or like this platform should match with the new platform, because it's a new platform that's called Harmony 2. Then you take confirm example, so you confirm your information, the information of the company in question, then you take synchronize. Yeah. So when you take synchronize, you see here your information has been synchronized. I always change this in English if you want. The information has been synchronized and everything is good. So once you synchronize the information on this platform called SDC.harmony2, you need to now get to the website I earlier went to, harmony2.cm, and then you log in with that NIU. Now, if the normal password for this platform doesn't work here, you can use 40, 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros, and then you put whatever code appears here. This code I enter it here, then I take say the amount and change this in English to English. So this is the new platform Harmony 2, by the way. So this is where I wanted to get from the beginning of the video, wherein all the links are there. This is synchronization. Let me just change this to English. This is info synchronization. If I click on this link, it will take me to this website where I had the possibility to synchronize the account. If I get to document fiscal, that is where I can therefore go and make the payment of the tax compliance certificate and my B. If you want also the taxpayer's card or attestation, you can equally get to document this card document in order to get those. So I am in to I'm going to click on fiscal documents. When you log into this fiscal documents account, the number one thing you will notice that there is a notice there that tells you that if you check on your declarative situation and your declarative situation is not okay, anything you pay, you lose the money you pay, because in order to get the tax attestation and the tax compliance certificate, you pay 1,000 in order to get one of those two documents. But if you check on this situation and everything is not okay with it, it means that you will not have the possibility to get you don't have the possibility to 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 to, to get the tax documents in question, and as a result, any amount you pay from there will just get lost because it's not going to serve. So how do we get the already here you see your previous documents you created, but here you can get a document, you get in there and you get the tax compliance certificate. You choose the reason why you need the tax compliance certificate. Okay, there are many reasons there. I'll just take orders, and then when you take orders, you have to precise. Okay, I'll just put the general purpose. So the same way you get the tax compliance certificate is the same way you get the immatriculation attestation or your taxpayer's card. So the same process is the same. I'm just going to do for 1 year, which is the tax compliance certificate for this taxpayer. And I take next. From there, I put the mobile money number I want to use in order to make payment. And then I take confirm payment. When I take confirm payment, I'll receive a notification on my phone. Where's my phone? Okay. I'll get a notification on my phone asking me to make the payment. So I just got the notification. I'm just going to validate. Since I'm using Orange, I'll just take hash 150 hash, and it will prompt me to make the payment of the 1,000 francs. And as soon as I validate the transaction, you see here I've just validated the transaction. Just see here is going to then saying that it has failed. They say okay, the operation failed. I'll just return back and start it all over. I'll pick order. I'll put general again. I'll pick next. Put the phone number again. Then I pick confirm again. They will send me notification once more. I'll try validating it again. So let me validate and put my password for mobile money or for Orange money, but that's what I'm using. Okay. I think it will go this time around. It will work. So I validated. You wait and see success. Good. So you wait again some seconds. The document will appear. So this document is valid as from this day for 3 months, meaning 3 months as from this day, this document will be valid. So I just have to click download document, and there we are good to go. If I get to the dashboard once more, I'll see the document here. I'll see the document. If I get to maybe the next page, I'll see the document that I just created. I think this is it here. And then if you go to tax documents, my requested documents, I can always see the requested documents I have made, and this is the requested document I just made right now. I can re-download it. This is the one that failed instantly. So the same way, if you want to do for the tax immatriculation, you just come here, select this, you select the purpose, and then you take next, you put the phone number and pay. All the same thing. So you just need to click on get a document. So the two websites involved are SDC Harmony 2.cm, and either you go direct, you start by going from Harmony 2, then you click on the link that I showed, or you can directly get to this platform, fanr.harmony2.cm. So you get to this website. Make sure you always check the currency situation. If there's an X there on an item, if there's an item that has X there, it means you cannot get the document. You need to first of all regulate your situation with the fiscal authorities. Thank you.